BrightBYTES.
Hello champ, welcome back to BrightBYTES, where we decode the tech magic behind robots. Ever wondered how robots move their hands, wheels, or even dance? Let's dive into the super cool world of motors. A motor is like the muscle of a robot. It takes electricity and turns it into movement. So when you see a robot arm waving or a car rolling, it's a motor doing the magic. Why do we need them? Without motors, robots would just sit there like statues. Motors help them. Move wheels, wave arms, pick up stuff, even draw. Motors make robots feel alive. Where are motors used? Motors are hiding everywhere in robotics. They're in robot cars, robotic arms, drones, humanoid bots, 3D printers, even your toys. When were motors invented? Motors have been around since the 1800s, when Michael Faraday discovered how to spin things using electricity. And boom, a new world of robot movement was born. Who needs them the most? Robotics engineers, scientists, you and everyone else. In labs, homes, clubs, or science fairs, motors are part of everyone's life. So, champ, next time your robot zooms or waves, just remember there's a motor making it move. And we're just getting started. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Next up, homopolar motors. Until next time, keep exploring. Little inventor. Bye-bye.